Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you viewers? I hope so you're fine. In this video I share crochet animal pattern, and viewers, you will like this beautiful ideas. Viewers, you will like this beautiful ideas. The beautiful amazing crochet animal ideas I share with you, and you will like amazing and awesome ideas. That's very beautiful eating ideas. I am share with you unique and elegant pattern. From this video I am share with you stylish ideas and new stylish pattern. I am introducing with you that's are very beautiful attractive ideas. I am introducing with you. That's very amazing crochet animals ideas eating styles. I am share with you viewers. That's very amazing elegant ideas. Subscribe this channel. Hope so viewers you will like this video and stylish ideas. Beautiful free crochet pattern. From this video I am share with you that are completely different to each other. I hope so viewers you will like amazing ideas and stylish pattern. So viewers, thank you so much to watching my video. Elegant free pattern which I'm sure